Okay, so expressions and the building of expressions is a great foundation for learning Hummingbird. But the true power of all of this comes in sequence building, the second tab here. So thus far we've made some very simple expressions and some expressions with sound as well as lights and actually didn't do a motors one, but lights and sound will be good enough for this demonstration. So the first thing I'm going to do after having finished some of these expressions is I'm going to tab over to Sequence Builder. And here in Sequence Builder, my expressions are all there. A place for my new sequences will be here. And then down here, there's these things called structures. And so the first structure I'm going to talk about is the counter structure. I can take a counter structure and I can drop it right into my sequence building window. And I can say, for example, I can make I can make a light blink on and off a number of times. So for example, I can say LED on and then LED off. And you'll notice here I can tell it how long do I want the on to last. 1 second. How long do I want the off to last? 1 second. Okay? And if I hit play, what happens is I'm going to actually turn the video on so you can see this as well. So when I hit play with on and off, you're going to get the light goes on for a second and it turns off for a second. If I were to change that counter to, let's say, 10 times and hit play, that light will now beep or turn on and off 10 times. Okay? And I'm going to stop this because these are kind of slow. I'm actually going to change this to 0.3 seconds and 0.3 seconds. And let's try this again. Okay, now we have a fast blinking light. So just like that, I've created a counter, and I can hit save, and I will call this blink LED 1 10 times. And then what that does is it creates a sequence that now off to the right I can pull in this sequence anytime I want when I want it to blink 10 times. Do that one more time. It brings it in, I hit play, and there goes my lights.